Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. So today we are here for discussing the case study about fading that is occurring in a wireless communication. Okay. So hope you know about fading. So fading is nothing but of if the signal is propagates, if you are sending the signal from transmitter to another end due to the interference, environmental disturbances and obstacles, some other interferences, time by time the signal strength will get varied. So we cannot receive the complete strength at the receiver section. So this could lead a biggest challenges in the wireless communication. So this is called as fading. Though we are using several techniques at the transmission section and the receiver section, we could not be able to find the appropriate solution. We cannot get the 100% of efficient signal strength at the output end. So as we are discussing about this wireless communication in our class, you could have find some solutions. You could have heard some solutions, right, from the class sessions. Let us discuss about that one. So you can share your opinion how to overcome or how to avoid this fading problem in the wireless communication. So we can start one by one.
I am here to explain about the diversity techniques used to overcome fading. In diversity techniques, there are three important techniques. First one is spatial diversity, time diversity, frequency diversity. In spatial diversity, we use multiple antennas to transmit and receive. By using multiple antennas, we can overcome fading. And in time diversity, in retransmission of signals, we are sending the signals in different time variations to avoid the fading in time diversity. And in the frequency diversity, we are sending the signals in different frequencies to avoid the fading. Thank you. Over to Ashika.
As Arun Prasanna said, there are some other techniques to avoid fading in wireless communication, and they are equalization, channel coding and beamforming. In equalization, we can use equalizers at the receiver side to compensate for channel impairment, such that it will reduce the inter-symbol interference when doing the multipath fading. In channel coding is used for detecting and correcting the error. So we are employing forward error correction such as convolutional codes or turbo codes to detect and correct the error caused by fading. And in beamforming, we are using smart antennas and beamforming techniques to focus signal energy into a specific direction, such as it can be used in multipath.
I accept to Ashika's point. By avoiding and or adjusting the modulation and the coding. By adjusting the modulation coding according to the channel's performance, it even though it works in the fading periods, and link budget, it thoroughly optimizes the channel's link budget to it considers the path loss and interference and fading margin to the during the networks and relays and repeaters. By deploying the relays and repeaters to develop the signal quality, even though the area is prone to the fading.
Yeah, okay. So these techniques just before you have told, right? So one is diversity and beamforming, then equalization, and among these methods, one of the important method to overcome this fading is that is MIMO. That is actually MIMO, multiple input, multiple output. That means multiple antenna will be there. So instead of sending the signal through only one antenna, we can use multiple antennas. So if one path gets interfered, the another frequency, right, another antenna will transmit the signal. And also at the same time, meanwhile in the output section also we have several antennas, multiple antennas. So the signals will be received if one antenna gets failure or if one antenna have some of the fading issues. So this technique, along with what you have told, this is some ultimate technique can be used for some efficient for overcoming this problem, right? This is the one of the main thing, right? So here we have two kinds of fading. There is a small scale fading and large scale fading. So fading must be avoided. So we can, because the channel is wireless channel, it is not a wired one. There are two classification: channel is wired one, another is a wireless. Since it is a wireless, so the air is a common medium. There is a medium where we can transmit the signal. So there are several interferences are there between, because there is no wire, there is no bounded some material to carry the information, right? So since it is traveling as an electromagnetic wave, so this is unfortunate one, we will be getting some errors because of this wireless medium. So to avoid this, we have to incorporate the methods what we have discussed right now. Based upon the requirement and the economic thing, we can adopt any one of the method, right? So thanks for the discussion. We will join in the next discussion later on. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.